Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to add shortcuts in Firefox, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. If it is on your taskbar, click the orange and blue globe icon there. If it is on your desktop, double-click that same globe icon instead. Once Firefox opens, you should see your usual home or last visited page appear. Once Firefox is open, create a new tab. Look along the top for the small plus button to the right of your current tab. Click that plus button one time, and a clean new tab page will appear in the main window. If you accidentally open several new tabs, you can close the extras later using the small X on each tab. On this new tab page, look in the middle area for the section called Shortcuts. This is usually a grid of boxes with website icons. Take a moment to scroll slightly if needed, since some screens show it a little lower. When you see that grid, you are in the right place to add a new shortcut. Now, in the Shortcuts section, find the empty tile that says plus add shortcut. It usually has a light background and a plus symbol in the center. Move your mouse over that tile and click it once. A small window will open on the screen, ready for you to fill in the shortcut details. In that window, click in the box labeled Name or Title. Type the name you want to see on the shortcut, for example, News or Email. Choose a name that clearly reminds you what the site is. If you later decide you do not like the name, you can change it using the same shortcut controls. Next, click in the box for the website address or URL. Carefully type the full web address, such as example.com, including any parts like mail or login if needed. Make sure there are no spaces, since a space will stop the address from working correctly. Firefox will remember this address exactly as you enter it. With both the name and the address filled in, click the Add button at the bottom of that window. After you click Add, the window will close by itself. Look back at the Shortcuts grid, and you will now see your new shortcut tile with the name you chose. If nothing appears, check that you typed a valid website address and try again. If you do not see any Shortcuts section at all on the New tab page, stay on that New tab. Look toward the very bottom right corner of the page for a small gear icon. Move your mouse over that gear and click it once. A settings panel for your new tab page will slide or pop into view on the right side. Inside this panel, find the section that mentions shortcuts with a checkbox next to it. Make sure the checkbox is turned on and shows a check mark. If it is empty, click once to enable shortcuts. The new tab page updates immediately, so you can glance behind the panel and see the shortcuts grid appear as soon as it is enabled. Still in that same panel, look for the option that controls how many rows of shortcuts to display. It usually offers one or more numbers you can choose. Click the number of rows you prefer, maybe one row for a cleaner look, or more rows if you visit many sites. As you change this, the new tab background updates right away, so you can see how many tiles fit on your screen. Once you have some shortcuts visible, you can choose one to pin. Hover your mouse over a shortcut tile that you always want to keep. When your mouse is over it, a small three-dot button appears in the upper right corner of that tile. Do not click yet, just confirm you can see those three dots appear. Now click that three-dot menu on the shortcut you chose. A small list of options opens right below your mouse. From this list, click the option called Pin. When you pin a shortcut, Firefox keeps that site in place, even when your browsing habits change. This helps prevent a favorite site from being replaced by other pages you only visit once. From the same three-dot menu, you can also choose Edit if you need to change the shortcut title or its address. Selecting Edit brings back the same window you used before, with the fields already filled in. There is also a Dismiss option there, which removes that shortcut tile from your grid if you no longer need it. If instead you want a shortcut directly on your Windows desktop, start by opening the website in Firefox. Type its address in the bar at the top, then press Enter. Wait until the page finishes loading so the address and icon are fully ready. The correct page should now fill the main part of the Firefox window. With the site open, resize the Firefox window so you can see part of your desktop behind it. Move your mouse to a corner of the Firefox window until you see a double arrow, then click and drag to make the window smaller. Leave enough empty space on one side where your desktop icons are visible. Beginners often forget this step and wonder why they cannot drop anything on the desktop. Now look at the top of Firefox. In the address bar, to the left of the website address, you will see a small padlock or site icon there. Click and hold that icon with your left mouse button. Then keep holding it as you move your mouse. Drag it over to an empty spot on your desktop and then release the mouse button. When you let go, Firefox creates a new desktop icon for that website. You will see it appear among your other desktop shortcuts with the site name underneath. From now on, double-clicking that desktop icon opens Firefox directly to that page using the current Firefox settings and bookmarks you already have. You have now added Firefox shortcuts on the new tab page and created a desktop shortcut for a favorite site. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.